Speaker come in a wide variety of sizes and shapes, but its sound quality and loudness does not depend on its size and shapes. You can find reasonably priced speaker that enhance your enjoyment of music, movies, television and video games. In this buying guide, we are giving you some of these hints and method to find a good pair of speaker for your needs. Number 1. Exactly how you will use the speakers. The variety of speaker built to match for different tasks. For casual music listening, a pair of bookshelf speaker would be more than enough. Those who desire a more intensive experience can upgrade to standing speakers. Subwoofers are additional speakers that add depth to bass, which is low tone. They are good for movies and music with lower range. Sound bass and soundbar is also an option for adding general depth to television. This required less wiring and less space and can be combined with subwoofers. Number 2. Confirm the specification. First, note your amplifier power. If you have an amplifier, find the model number. Search online for your amplifier and note its power and impedance. Power and impedance value will be labeled in watts and ohms. Always match speaker with amplifiers to avoid damaging your products. The box of speaker will have similar number to the amplifier or indicate they are compatible with your amplifier. Find out speaker's impedance value. Impedance measured in ohm signifies how much the speaker resists the power sent by amplifier. Search the box or instruction manual. Compare this to your amplifier if you have one. Choose speaker that indicate they match your amplifier's ohm level or are compatible with it. Most amplifiers are compatible with 8 ohms. If you already know similar speakers work with your amplifier, you will be safe using this. Low impedance speaker require more powerful amplifier. Here powerful means more wattage amplifier. If the speaker impedance is too low, the amplifier can be overheat. Tips number 3. Speaker's power handling capacity. Power handling measured in watts and higher watt speaker always required more powerful amplifier. If your amplifier send out more power than speaker uses, you can damage the speaker. Tips number 4. Consider speaker sensitivity. The sensitivity is measured in decibel, dB. This indicates how loud the speaker's sound can be. The higher the sensitivity, the more volume it can deliver in watt of electricity. An average speaker comes with sensitivity of around 87 dB to 88 dB. A speaker with a sensitivity rating over 90 dB is considered excellent. Talking about dB of speaker, there is a vital relation between sensitivity of speaker, power and distance travels by sound. So this mutual relation and all these parameters will be covered in our next part. Come towards 5th tips and last tips of speaker purchase. Consider your budget. Fall into a price tag trap. You will see bigger and better looking speakers will attract you, even though quality is not completely related to price. A cheaper speaker may also work better for you than a more expensive one. So stick to your budget as much as possible. So these are the tips of speaker purchase. Hope you like this information. Thank you.